So I got a problem with this Toyota Prius 2010 hybrid. The battery looks like dead. I can't open the back doors, like this door, and I can't open the trunk. So I'm going to show you how to open the trunk if your battery is dead, and I'll show you how to replace the battery on Prius. And how do you know that the battery is dead? So come here, the car doesn't turn on, and there's no signal at all. And it used to make some clicking noise. It's been dead for about like 5 days. So yeah, it used to make a clicking noise, but it's not making any right now. I'm definitely sure it's a battery because the dashboard is not turning on, and there's no signal at all, and then no power. So let's see if I'm right or not. The battery looks fairly new, but it looks like it's been used for a while now. I'm not sure. So I got a brand new battery from Walmart. I got it for $180, and the ones from Advanced Auto and AutoZone was about $280 and $350, and same with the dealership, it was like $450. So it's very expensive. It's a 2010 Toyota Prius. I bought it for $3,500, and yeah, to put down to invest $450 is not worth it. So let's see. Since I can't open the doors, I gotta access the trunk from here, but I'll load my stuff over here, so I'll have to put them down, put them outside, and try to access the trunk from here. So I got access to my trunk now. I can unlock this like this. Try to move. I got a jump start key. And there is a lever here inside. I'm not sure if you can see it. So the lever is right there. You just stick your hands inside and pull it. It doesn't open because you have to push it from here too. So you'll have to use both hands. So I have to drop my camera. So now it's open. I'll go outside and remove all this. The battery is over here, so I'll change the battery. So you can just push this one up. This one goes up like this. Take this one out, and so it just goes out like this. You can pull this one here, move it, and this is the battery. As you can see, it looks fairly new. I'm not sure why it's dead, so let's see. So we're gonna need 11, and then just unscrew here and here. Just unscrew this. And do the same thing here. So I just unscrewed this. Just dump it here. And screw this. Just take it. So yours may have this little piece that sticks like this here. So if you have it, you just unscrew it. just make sure you got the correct one. So this is plus, this is minus. Red goes to the red, black goes to the black. But this one doesn't have that, so let's put it on. All right. Okay, this is on. So I have to remove the plastic caps. So you just pull this plastic. And same thing here. Just pull it. Yes. All right. So plus goes to the plus. Plus goes to the minus. All right. Just have to plug it in now. I'm just gonna plug it in and test the car if it's running before I screw them. So I got my key. Let's test it. Hopefully I'm right. It works out. Bismillah. Let's see. Yep. Looks like. So everything is running. I'm gonna put everything inside. Screw the back. Cover the trunk and test drive it. Everything is good. I'll just have to screw them back inside the same way I screwed them. So just unplug this. I'm gonna tighten this one up and then the minus. And if you want to put the metal piece, you can do that. Also, just put this on side, plug it. Yep. It just goes like this. And I lost one of my gaskets here. It should run underneath here. If you want to put the gasket, so you put the first gasket here, the second one over here. So it's not loose. So when you put the gasket, it becomes firm. You do the same thing here too. This one in, so I just have to tighten it up. This one is a little bit uncomfortable, so if you want, you can just pull it like this. Put the gasket and bolt and tighten a little bit, and then just hit like this and then tighten it up. So this one is on too, so I'm just gonna put it like this and tighten it up, and so it doesn't move around. So if you have this little piece, you can, if you have screws, you can screw them like here and then here. Since I don't have it, I don't have the screws to tighten it up, so I'm just gonna leave it like this on this side. Just gonna put it right here. Should be good. So we're good. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, hit the like button, and comment if you have any questions. Back here. Okay. Good. Alright, I'm gonna test drive it to see what's going on. It looks like everything is fine. Alright, test drive this. Everything looks fine. Everything is working. The power is good. Everything is good. So it was definitely a battery. So